Hi! In front of me is Microsoft Surface Pro X, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. You need to begin by opening the device's settings. In them, tap on Time and Language, then select Typing section, and finally click on this sweater next to autocorrect misspelled words. As you can see, after that, autocorrection is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!